What happens to your body when you drink baking soda water daily? Baking soda has been a go-to natural remedy for centuries. This versatile white powder, known as sodium bicarbonate, is commonly used in cooking and baking, but its benefits extend beyond the kitchen. From soothing acid reflux and promoting kidney health to strengthening the immune system and more, we'll dive into how incorporating baking soda water into your routine can impact your well-being. Plus, we'll cover how to use it safely and effectively. To prepare baking soda water, you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Make sure it's sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder, and 2 cups, 500 milliliters, of cold water. Stir until dissolved and drink this mixture midday, at least 1 hour before lunch. Benefit 1. Eases acid reflux. If you often experience a burning sensation in your chest or throat after meals, it could be acid reflux. This occurs when stomach acid moves upward into the esophagus, causing discomfort. While many assume excess acid is the issue, poor digestion is often the real culprit. When food lingers in the stomach too long, it increases pressure, weakening the valve that prevents acid from rising. Baking soda provides bicarbonates that support digestion by triggering bile and pancreatic enzymes, which help food break down efficiently in the intestines. This reduces strain on the stomach and minimizes reflux. In fact, baking soda was included in soldiers' rations during World War I and II for digestive relief. Benefit 2. Supports kidney health. Your kidneys work around the clock to filter toxins from your bloodstream. When uric acid builds up, it can stress the kidneys, contributing to kidney stones, gout, and even high blood pressure. Drinking small amounts of baking soda water daily helps balance the kidneys' pH levels, making it easier for them to remove excess acid and toxins. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that sodium bicarbonate can slow kidney decline in people with chronic kidney disease. Many health professionals recommend it to help prevent gout, kidney stones, and improve overall kidney function. Benefit 3. Strengthens the immune system. An overly acidic environment in the body, especially in the gut, creates a breeding ground for harmful bacteria, viruses, and infections. Baking soda provides bicarbonate ions that help regulate pH, making the body less hospitable to pathogens. As it dissolves, baking soda releases CO2, which enhances oxygen absorption and boosts white blood cell activity. This strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight off illness more effectively. If this information is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a health tip. Benefit 4. Enhances oral health. Tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath often stem from an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, leading to acidity. Baking soda helps neutralize mouth pH, kill bad bacteria, and freshen breath. Add a pinch to your toothpaste and brush gently to help whiten teeth and combat cavities. However, limit this practice to twice a week, as excessive alkalinity may erode enamel. Benefit 5. Aids in UTI relief. Baking soda water can help relieve urinary tract infections, UTIs, by slightly increasing urine pH, creating an environment where bacteria struggle to survive. When combined with adequate hydration, it may help ease symptoms within a week. Additionally, concentrated cranberry supplements can further support UTI recovery. Benefit 6. Reduces post-workout soreness. Strenuous exercise leads to lactic acid buildup, causing muscle fatigue and soreness. Baking soda helps neutralize this excess acid, allowing for quicker muscle recovery. Many athletes use sodium bicarbonate to boost endurance, as it helps them push through workouts without tiring as quickly. To maximize benefits, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic salt in 16 ounces of water and drink 90 minutes before high-intensity exercise. Benefit 7. Boosts energy levels. After just a few days of drinking baking soda water, you may notice an increase in energy and alertness. This is because bicarbonates aid in oxygen transportation within the bloodstream. More oxygen leads to better energy production, keeping you feeling awake and focused. To maintain steady energy levels, avoid sugar, refined carbs, and processed cereals at breakfast, as they can cause energy crashes. Benefit 8. Helps regulate acidity in cancer treatment. Emerging research suggests baking soda may help slow tumor progression by reducing acidity in the body. Since cancer cells thrive in low oxygen, acidic conditions, increasing pH levels could make it harder for tumors to grow. A study in the Journal of Cancer Research found that baking soda increased tumor pH and reduced cancer cell spread in mice by enhancing oxygen availability. While this isn't a cure, some experts believe it may be a beneficial complementary approach when used alongside medical treatments. Always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new regimen. Benefit 9. Soothes skin irritations. Baking soda mixed with water creates a calming paste that helps relieve bug bites, sunburn, rashes, and skin irritations. By balancing the skin's pH, it helps reduce redness, swelling, and itching. For sunburn relief, add a few tablespoons of baking soda to a cool bath to accelerate healing and soothe discomfort. Benefit 10. Clears nasal congestion. If you're dealing with sinus pressure or excessive mucus, baking soda may help. Drink baking soda water in the afternoon and prepare a nasal rinse by dissolving 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt in warm distilled water. Use a neti pot or saline spray to flush out irritants and ease breathing. When to avoid baking soda. A daily dose of 1/4 teaspoon is generally safe, but if you experience bloating, gas, nausea, or stomach discomfort, stop using it for a while. If you also use apple cider vinegar for digestion, you can continue, as its acetic acid works well alongside baking soda's bicarbonates to support proper digestion. Contrary to popular belief, they do not cancel each other out. For individuals with heart disease, kidney conditions, or those on medication, consulting a healthcare professional before using baking soda is essential.